welcome to a rainy day clean with me. This was the perfect weather to get everything done as it was so cold outside. Okay, so let's start with the oven. As you can see, I attempted to scrub the oven door because the instructions for the oven cleaner said half an hour, but I ended up getting some of the excess cleaner from inside the oven and leaving it on there for the full 4 hours. So here I am adding some Zoflora in the linen fresh scent to some boiling water in the sink. I just find that this leaves a really nice scent. It probably smells more like a men's aftershave than clean washing, but still really nice, and I can sanitize my dishcloth in there as well. Fun fact, I actually found that bottle of Zoflora in one of our local newsagents. So random, I know, but the guy in there was absolutely raving about it. He said they used it to clean under the wet carpets in the local footy club, so there you go. The method spray that I'm using on my dining table is the wild rhubarb scent. If you haven't tried it already, I would highly recommend. It smells so good, and I have almost run out already, so I need to repurchase another bottle. I'm just giving the lounge area a really quick tidy first before I can properly clean it. And then you'll see here that I am absolutely scrubbing our coffee table within an inch of its life because Kyle got given a scratchy for his birthday and he left the scratchy bits on there. Did you see me do a little dance? I think I was listening to Venga Boys' Go 90s playlist. Floofing up all the couch cushions. It's a daily struggle. Honestly, it's the one thing about having feather-filled cushions is you pretty much need to puff them up every single day, and our actual couch cushions themselves have got feathers inside, I'm pretty sure, so here I am just smacking them and trying to make them all plumped up. Quick little vacuum of the lounge area, and then I have to actually put the vacuum back on charge after about 2 minutes. I think we need to get a new battery. So I did actually put on a load of sheets before I started cleaning the house. I find that putting on a load of washing is a good thing to do at the beginning because then you can carry on with other tasks. I'm also taking the dry washing off just so that can be put away. Have a look at Diesel. He's such a good boy. He follows me absolutely everywhere. Time to make the bed. These sheets are actually from I Love Linen and they're my absolute favorite thing ever. Very pricey though, so I waited until they were on sale for 20% off. I purchased the Doona cover set first and then I liked it so much I just had to have the sheets as well. And also our old sheets didn't really go with this Doona cover set, so it was a really good excuse to get new ones. Every time I make the bed, I always tuck Kyle's side in because he likes it, but I don't like mine tucked in. I feel like I'm trapped, so I always leave mine untucked, but I always make sure His are tucked in every time I make the bed. Oh yeah, washing. Putting the washing away is my least favorite job. So the way that I usually do it is just wait until it builds up and then do a big lot together. But today I'm actually doing it as soon as it is dry. And you would have seen, I find it easier if I kind of put all of Kyle's things into one pile and then my things into another. And I just find that it's much easier to put everything away then. Just a quick tidy to get everything off of the floor so that I can again just get everything nice and clean. I find that if I tidy and then clean, it is a lot easier. Look at me putting away my makeup. And then again just tidying this side of the room as well. Now it's time to vacuum the floor. I am actually going really fast, even though this is sped up. I'm doing it quickly because I want to be able to get the floor clean before the vacuum runs out again. On sweet time, I'm in here just tidying everything away again so I can give it all a proper clean. I have some kind of dust on the front of my shirt. No idea where that came from. I'm now just wiping down the surfaces and the sinks with my method spray and a microfiber. I normally use glass cleaner, but I couldn't find it. Kyle used it last. Where is it, Kyle? I do not know. But anyway, this method spray was actually working fine on the mirror, and also it smells really good. I've said it before, but in my house I have so many high gloss surfaces. I find that wiping them with a dry microfiber after cleaning prevents them from streaking as much. I also decided to give the fronts of the cabinets a good wipe down because they haven't been done for a little while and they definitely needed it. You guys, I definitely 100% recommend cleaning your bathroom floor on your hands and knees. I feel like it's the best way to get a proper clean, and I know you probably can't see it here on camera, but there was so much dust and just like hair, which is really gross, but also it's true. It's gross. Look at that. It looks so much better. Everything is so clean and shiny, and our room is just so nice and neat. Just ignore the giant cushions on the chair. I don't really have anywhere to put them. Back to the oven. It came out pretty clean, but I would like to go over it a second time because there were still some areas that had marks. I'm using my Coles version of a Minky. I like the scrubby side for the oven, and then I use the soft side to wipe off the excess oven cleaner. It's really good. I can't remember how much they were, but pretty inexpensive. I used the other one in the shower actually, and it's just great. I like the soft side for like shining the taps in the bathroom. Who do I even think I am? Mrs. Hinch? I can't. I'm cringing myself out. Yeah, this did take quite a long time, I'm not gonna lie, but I do think it was worth it. And the oven racks, like the wire rack thingies, you actually put them in this gigantic Ziploc bag with most of the oven cleaner stuff, and then the rest of it gets like poured straight into the oven. I actually quite liked this oven cleaner because I felt like the fumes were not too toxic compared to other ones I've used in the past. But also it does say not to get it on your skin, and I accidentally got it on my arm, and then I was like profusely washing it in the sink for a good 2 minutes. It didn't burn. Everything's fine. I'm fine. Yay, I can finally finish the vacuuming. It's been on charge for quite a while now, and I just need to do the last little part of the kitchen and like dining area as well, so that I can finish off by mopping the floors. And last but not least, I can finally mop the floors. I absolutely love my spray mop. The best thing about it is that I'll be able to walk on the floors almost straight away, and my socks won't get wet, which is the worst feeling ever. I hate getting wet socks. Diesel is clearly impressed by all the cleaning that's going on today. Uh, Basically, if he's not the center of attention, or I'm not sitting on the couch watching TV with him, he tends to get a little bit sulky. So, sorry, Diesel, but you get so much love and attention. You'll be okay for 5 minutes. Honestly, watching back this mopping is like the most satisfying thing ever, especially when I do like straight lines up and down in the kitchen. Is that weird? I don't know. But anyway, I just wanted to say thank you so much for taking the time to watch this video today. If you liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already for more home and lifestyle content. And I'm just going to finish off by lighting a nice candle. See you next time.